Dzień dobry. I'm Ludmila, and very pleased to be here and to have opportunity to welcome you and to open this. It's an honor to open this event, and I would like to thank our partners for hosting us here. So. For us, it's an emotional moment because it's first event of this kind, where Orange will share about our internal practices, about our people, about our culture, about Agile. So really exciting and exciting by agenda, what is going to be presented in partnership with Polish-Japanese Academy of Information Technology. For us, it's a certain, moment of truth, I would say, a milestone after 2 years of hard work and enthusiasm of implementing Agile from the scratch. We are for the first time exposed to external audience, not only in our own kitchen doing Agile, but we are ready to share. And as well, it is a moment for us to learn, because Agile is about permanent learning, permanent adapting. And we are very keen to learn from experiences, from practices which will be shared by other partners, by other participants. And today's conference is about Agile, people, culture, and it's not accidental, because we are used to learn at the beginning of things sometimes about Agile, like about framework, like all the processes, or about tools, Jira, or being very much concentrated around this. So. And today we will share that Agile, it is not only about stand-ups, it's not about sticky notes, it's about the way of working together. It's not a framework, it's rather, I would say, mindset. And culture and people are actually at the very, very heart of this mindset. I like to, in comparison, of Agile with, driving a car at night, because you can see only as far as your headlights, but you can for sure in this way come to your destination. So you can make like this the whole journey. The most important is to have trust in your team, to stay in the line, and at the same time to react and to take care about science, and to have your final destination in mind, which is motivating you to go forward. So enjoy this, and remember, Agile is here. And we are very pleased to show you not only from what we do as telco and a technology company, but also from how we do it. Thank you.